I'm sorry, I'm back. I hit the wrong button and the phone started pop. So we're gonna use some garlic salt, and I'll give you the calorie count. Some sea salt. Some Italian seasoning. I mean, this is not Italian seasoning, oregano rather, oregano. And some tarragon. The whisk out and whisk it together. Taste it. That has a really good taste. Very good taste. Come over here. Put this over the thing. Well, and sometimes I do add extra seasonings, you know, like after I get it done, but I gotta test it first. Taste it. That is so good. A little more seasoned salt. And a little more pepper. And sometimes I do add a little extra seasoning, you know, after I get it mixed, because you'll be able to tell. And then that's what I do. Okay, let's taste it again. That was so good. And the calorie count is for 8. Well, it's a half a cup serving. It's 234.25 in calories, 28.86 in carbs, 6.90 in fat, 10.76 in protein. So it makes 8 1/2 cup servings. Again, the calories is 234.25, 28.86, 6.90, and 10.76. And then this is how I garnish it. I'll put it in a bowl. I'll show you here. Taste it again. That's so good. That's going to be delicious salad next week. And there you have it. Put in the refrigerator. Again, I'll read you the calorie count. Makes 8 1/2 cup servings. Calories is 234.25. Carbs is 28.86. Fat is 6.90. And protein is 10.76. God bless everyone. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll be back a little later with some other great recipes. Stay tuned. Keep God and the angels in your life. Work out, stay healthy, and eat healthy. Bye. Love you all.